Let's have breakfast courtesy of Wildgrain. This is 3-seed fermented bread. I baked it for about 18 minutes, y'all. Delicious. Wildgrain got your girl feeling like she's a whole baker over here. Okay. I had to bathe my bread in butter. You know, that Kerrygold butter. Give it a nice little bath. Grate up some potatoes. Put them in a little bit of water so they can get all delicious and crispy. Add a little bit of cheese and garlic. Fry them up. Fried up my bacon first because, I mean, everything is better with a little bit of bacon, especially a little bacon fat after. Fried my potatoes in it. Add a little bit of garlic. Add my bacon. Y'all, You don't even know. You don't even know how good this is together, okay? You don't even know. Like, period. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay? I got to go ahead and fry up one of these eggs. Only one at a time because they're like $40 a carton. So make my iced coffee because, girl, I'm not giving Starbucks $10. Not every day. Okay? Girl, the bread. Can we get into this bread? Can we get into this bread? Wildgrain, what did y'all do to me? What did y'all do to me? Got me a complete breakfast. Oh, 10 out of 10. Y'all already ate my bread. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.